My appointment was done by President of India. It's my appointing authority. She can't take any decision. Definitely I will follow. Whatever the decision they are done or going to take by the President of India.
So
Have you
you
given the
will.
proposal to the President?
As per system and norms, I cannot directly even entertain the office of the President of India. I can apprise all the things to the Secretary, Education, Government of India. Already apprised all the things. I cannot write. I don't have the power to directly even discuss or write anything to the President of India. Surpassing the Secretary or Minister Government of India. I can write directly to the Secretary Government of India. Already apprised.
So will
So
you
you
be
have